to catch a small thief and big thief ran away.
Whatever. Yeah, it can happen. So go to the next one, 18.
18. It's corruption. Gu.
Yes.
Youngest son and eldest daughter. In youngest son, it's keep still,
Mm.
mountain earth, and eldest daughter sun, the genuine wind wood. Okay.
Mm.
Let a grand offering be made.
Mm.
It is favorable to ford the great river,
Mm.
wearing armor for 3 days.
Mm.
Before wearing armor 3 days after.
Yes. When you get 18, you have to be very careful with one thing.
Okay.
There can be some sickness relating to the worms.
Okay.
You can write this word.
All right.
Sickness of the whatever, it can reside in any part of the body.
Sickness.
Sickness caused by worms, parasites.
Parasite.
These are the main things. Today morning, somebody sent through WhatsApp one picture
Okay.
of someone whose liver is so flooded with parasites.
Oh.
1 second, I'll see whether I can just show you. I don't know. I'm not getting it quickly, so I'll let you know.
Yes, sir. Yes.
It
If
is
it's there,
more than 50% of that person's liver is flooded with parasite.
oh God. He survived, sir.
He must have, but they have diagnosed that condition. And this particular symptom, no, that GU is called GU syndrome.
Okay. Goose syndrome.
And people who are practicing traditional Chinese medicine will know that.
So Chinese have separate particular medicines like Ayurveda, sir.
Yes, comparable or even older or same age, whatever.
Okay. I was not knowing that they have own medicines. I thought Ayurvedic is
Yes,
the
yes,
oldest
that is
one.
called, I tell you, what all they have. They have acupuncture,
Okay.
they have traditional Chinese medicine, that is called TCM. The writings are very exhaustive. You know, they're like what you do, like in our system, they also check the pulse.
Okay.
They give soup, they give decoction, they put balm, they put vapors, they do fire therapy.
Okay. I
There is
have been
one,
heard of fire
yeah,
therapy, sir.
fire therapy, and this is called hijama
Coupling.
cup. Yeah,
Ah.
it's called dry cupping, and we can also do wet cupping. Wet cupping is called bloodletting.
Yes, sir.
This is dry cupping. You just use the vacuum and then. These
Push
are
it,
all
push it.
made of plastic, whereas the originals were made of bamboo and glass.
Okay. Now I've been
The
seeing the tab hijamas which they're going to remove the blood.
hijama, yes, it's called
Is,
hijama.
is it good or bad, sir? Hijama?
Now, it is one therapy. It is an accepted therapy to relieve stress and also to bring out the toxins collected and to
They told like
mobilize
the
mobilize
bad
it.
blood removed.
It's not. No. See, there are advantages, and each system has its own uniqueness. And there is another one called gua sha.
Goa.
Gua sha is also Chinese system. And then you have Paida Lajin.
What's up, Paila?
Paida, Paida Lajin. Two words are there. One is lifting the leg, and another is tapping the body. Like
Okay,
this.
lodging.
I
Paida
tap. You
lodging.
can see my hand becoming red immediately.
Yes, sir. The tap will become
There's
red.
a particular way of tapping. You see we keep your hand and on the occupant. Yeah,
Okay. This way.
yeah. There is a time for that, and there are certain systems in that. And in next, they have what is known as a Qi Kung or Qigong. That is again, you collect energy through cultivation and practices, through meditation. Then you transfer the energy to other person.
So why it is not explored in India, sir?
It is
Vast way.
there. It is.
Okay.
Who said no? There are many Tai Chi masters. You please type Tai Chi in Bangalore. There you will find a Tai Chi master.
But this Tai Chi master will be knowing this everything, sir. Acupuncture,
Not
traditional Chinese.
necessarily. No, he may not be.
So what he'll be expert,
These
sir?
are all very different field, but they all work for the common goal of health and living better.
Living. Okay.
And some have a deep spiritual orientation. Some may not look like, but they are all. Even with acupuncture, you can achieve spiritual, progress. You can know. Whereas in Qigong and all that, it is healing primarily, living better, living longer, and the idea of immortality, all that comes from that.
Because my actually I was researching for my mom's diabetic, so
Uh,
I got lot of information that if you're going to use this thing, she's going to cure this, but
mm,
results were very good, but I was afraid what to do.
mm,
Then I left out.
mm. Very good. So the most important thing in 18 is you have to be careful about the worms, the other things, and particularly this is one chapter which deals with the family errors and mistakes.
Family
Errors and
errors.
mistakes. ನನ್ನ ತಂದೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನನ್ನ ತಾಯಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
It's like some karma they're going to tell.
Whatever. It is the thing, parental or ancestral, you can say. It
Okay.
is enough if you have that idea, but you read line number 2.
Line number 2 is deal with the corruptions caused by the mother. Do not engage in deviations.
Divination.
Sorry,
Yeah, that
divination.
means you don't read, close the book. Close the book. That means, see, normally I'm just saying as a very ordinary human being.
Okay.
ನಾವು ತಾವು ಹೇಳೋದಲ್ವಾ, ಎಂಥ ಪಾಪ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅವನು,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ಪಾಪಿ.
Yes, sir.
That expression, no, that comes from this. It is a mistake of the thing. The parents, whatever, the children have to correct it. And you read the next one.
Deal with the corruption caused by the father.
Yes.
Regrets about small matters. No great harm.
Very good. This is a mistake done by the father. So here we are able to identify where the thing is coming from. Who is the source of this mistake? Who is the source of the mistake? Parihara helde alva. So this is, you know, the cause. Parihara to be done through the son. Son is waking up to the situation. He wants to rectify. So son, if there is a son, he can correct the situation.
Yes.
It will apply to your most